Okay, what I'm going to be doing is running through and explaining the parameters on our older model of the GoSmart, which is our IMO. It's the one with the blue buttons. What I'll be running through is the morning watering schedule. We have our veg light schedule, our flowering light schedule, our CO2 schedule, and then it's the evening water. And then we got our CO2 override and the water override. And I'll be running through and explaining to you what the parameters are and how to change them in case you have a machine where you want your lights to come on at a different time, if you have two machines and you want them offset, or for any other reasons that you want to change or alter your parameters. Okay, what I'm going to show you first is how to get into your parameter settings on the IMO controller with the blue buttons. So from your main menu, you press Escape and scroll down to where it says Stop. Press OK and confirm on the yes to stop the program. Press OK again. You've now stopped your program. Scroll up to Parameter and press OK. And the first program that we're at here is B02R1, which is your morning water schedule. If you press the right arrow key, it moves to our second one, which is B11R2. And this is our vegetation light schedule. It is on from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. sorry. Press the right arrow key again. B14, which is our flower light schedule, which is on from 6 in the morning to 18, which is 6 at night. That's our 12-hour schedule. Press the right arrow again, and we have B17, which does our CO2 injection. It is every 8 minutes for 6 seconds. And press the right arrow again. The next one we have is B21, which is our evening water schedule, which is on from 4:20 to 4:25. If you press the right arrow key again, we now go to B24, which is our CO2 override, which is for 15 minutes. So anytime you flick your CO2 override button, it is going to only run for 15 minutes. And if you press right again, this is our water override, which is B26. And again, if you flick your watering switch up on this, it'll only override for 20 minutes. Okay. So that is all the parameters. Now to go through and alter any of your parameters, you go to the program that you want. For instance, I'll go to our vegetation schedule. So if you have two machines and you want to run them at different times, or for some reason you want your lights to come on at different times, you go to the program you want. So we're at B11, this is our vegetation. Use the down arrow key to scroll down to the on time and move the cursor over to the hour, and it says 6 o'clock. If you press select, it'll have the blinking cursor underneath the number. So now you can use the up or down arrow key to alter the time to what you would like it to be. Once you're finished with that, you press OK. And if you'd like to alter your down or your off screen, just move your cursor to the off one. Again, press select when you get to the one you want, and alter it up or down till you get to the hour that you'd like. Press OK, and then you can press escape. You're back to your main menu. Scroll down to run, press OK, confirm on the yes, and you're good to go.